NVMe PCIe adapters are necessary to enable faster SSD performance, expand storage compatibility, and upgrade older systems efficiently. My today's video is about top 5 best NVMe PCIe adapter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Sabrent NVMe PCIe adapter. This NVMe PCIe adapter is a highly practical upgrade solution for users looking to maximize SSD performance and system flexibility in the computer hardware engineering domain. It supports a wide range of M.2 NVMe SSD sizes, including 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280, making it versatile for different storage needs. Designed for PCIe X16, X8, and X4 slots, it enables high-speed data transfer by fully utilizing PCIe lane bandwidth, significantly improving storage performance compared to traditional interfaces. However, it does not support SATA drives or PCIe X1 slots, ensuring users focus on true NVMe optimization. The included aluminum heatsink with thermal pad effectively manages heat, maintaining stable performance during heavy workloads. Installation is straightforward with a tool-free design and included accessories like screws and a screwdriver. It is compatible with Windows, Linux, and modern BIOS systems, making it a reliable choice for system upgrades, gaming builds, and professional workloads requiring fast and stable storage performance. Now our second product is Glotrends NVMe PCIe adapter. This NVMe PCIe adapter is a powerful upgrade solution designed to unlock high-speed M.2 NVMe storage on desktops through PCIe X4/X8/X16 slots, making it highly relevant in the computer hardware engineering field. It effectively converts a standard PCIe slot into an M.2 keyM interface, enabling installation of modern NVMe SSDs while excluding PCIe X1 and PCIe slots for performance integrity. Supporting PCIe 3.0 and 4.0 SSDs, it delivers excellent scalability, though full Gen 4 speeds depend on CPU, motherboard, and SSD compatibility, especially requiring 11th Gen Intel or newer for optimal performance. It supports multiple SSD sizes, 2230 to 2280, and large capacities up to 4 terabytes without limitation, though M.2 SATA drives are not supported. A key advantage is the included heatsinks, which reduce SSD temperatures by 5 to 20 degrees Celsius, improving stability during heavy workloads. With broad OS compatibility and boot support on most modern systems, plus dual bracket options and certifications, it offers a reliable, flexible, and future-ready storage expansion solution. Our third product is Eluteng NVMe PCIe adapter. This high-performance NVMe PCIe adapter is designed for advanced storage expansion, leveraging a PCIe 5.0 X16 architecture with up to X8 bandwidth support, delivering theoretical speeds up to 64 gigabits per second for extreme data throughput. It remains backward compatible with PCIe 4.0, 3.0, and 2.0 systems, ensuring wide motherboard adaptability while maximizing NVMe SSD performance where supported. Equipped with dual M.2 NVMe slots, it supports multiple form factors, 2230 to 2280, making it suitable for both compact and full-size storage configurations. Its build quality is reinforced with 3U gold-plated contacts for stable signal transmission, thickened PCB for durability, and metal shielding for improved structural integrity. Plug-and-play functionality eliminates driver installation, supporting Windows and Linux systems for easy deployment. However, users must verify motherboard compatibility for bifurcation support, and RAID configurations require identical SSDs and data backup. Now number 4, Jeyi NVMe PCIe adapter. This PCIe 5.0 NVMe adapter is a cutting-edge storage expansion solution designed for extreme performance systems in the computer hardware engineering domain. Supporting PCIe Gen3 SSDs with up to 128 gigabits per second bandwidth, 16 gigabytes per second, it fully unlocks the potential of flagship drives like the Samsung 990 Pro, WD Black SN850X, and crucial T700, making it ideal for demanding workloads such as 8K video editing and high-speed data processing. Its broad compatibility with PCIe 5.0/4.0/3.0x4, X8, and X16 slots ensures flexible installation without sacrificing GPU lanes, making it suitable for desktops, workstations, and servers. The integrated aluminum heatsink with thermal pads effectively manages heat, preventing thermal throttling during sustained heavy use. Installation is simple and driver-free, with a screwless design supporting multiple M.2 sizes, 2230 to 2280. And our last choice is Maiwo NVMe PCIe adapter. This M.2 PCIe adapter is a reliable storage expansion solution designed for users seeking stable NVMe performance within the computer hardware engineering domain. Supporting PCIe 3.0x4 bandwidth, it delivers read speeds up to 3,200 megabytes per second and write speeds over 1,500 megabytes per second, making it suitable for everyday computing, gaming, and productivity workloads. It is compatible with PCIe X4, X8, and X16 slots, ensuring broad motherboard support across Windows 7, 8, 10, and Linux systems. The adapter supports M.2 NVMe SSD sizes from 2230 to 2280, but does not support SATA-based M.2 drives, requiring users to verify compatibility before installation. Built with a thickened immersion gold PCB and gold-plated contacts, it offers improved durability and stable high-speed signal transmission. The elastic M-key connector enhances contact reliability, while the integrated LED indicator provides real-time activity status. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.